Okay, I'm going to talk very fast about Flamel. That was my GSOC project. I started like that. So we are going to move it very fast. What do we want to do with Flamel? In fact, what we really want to do is that we want to use the rewrite engine. The rewrite engine is very cool and has a lot of functionality. It's very powerful, but it's very hard to use. I have 2 demos, but I don't know if I can do both, but I will try. First of all, we need to know what we want to do. We want to match something, we want to transform something. What do we want to do with the code that we have? So first of all, you have to know your pattern for matching some expression during through the image or through the scope that you want. So I will skip that part where I try to explain you what this means, but believe me, this expression here means that please match everything that has a unary message. It doesn't really matter what has inside. Yes, that's what the expression means. So if you want to do with the rewrite engine, you have to extend a class. First of all, you have to know if you want to match or if you want to transform. Then you have to fight with the pattern. Then you have to know how to send the correct message to the correct object, and a lot of stuff. So those are my personal opinion about what we have now. That the patterns are very powerful, are very cool. You really want to use the patterns, but learning how to use the pattern is very complicated. You have to make a lot of early decisions, and if you want to do like a fast test, you can't. It's not easy. Like you have to start browsing the code and to understand complex stuff. So what I did was start with Flamel. The goal here is just to learn how to test and match a transformer expression, then make a better API to use it, and delay those kind of decisions. So you can create a rule and then say, okay, use it for match, use it for transform, show me the results, and that kind of stuff. I will show you this running. This one. So here, why? Why? No me está mostrando. Yeah, it's very cool.
Eso porque estás usando Windows.
Sí. Sí, es lo que quiero. Okay, let's go fast. What we have here, this is the UI that I was developing, and here I have an example of a method that I want to extract. Here, when you start, what you have here is like you have the real code, the smalltalk code here, and here you have the expression you are going to match. If I search this, I only have one result. Yes, of course, the one that I have as an example, because I don't have the same code. So if I want to extract to matching, like I say, all the unary message, I will say abstract to the method, and here it started changing, showing me what I want. Here I say, okay, I don't really care about all what you have here, so I will not look at this. Everything is disappearing. And if you want see, please. If you want to rule the expression with here, you do this, and I have the 3 results that I was looking for, that they are all my unary messages inside that class. And with this, you can keep playing and reset your expression and try to match and to make that easier just to use it. After that, to do this, you also have a API, that is this one, where you can define your new rule, your matching expression, your scope, and you want to see the results. I would expect this, and this has the same result that it was in the previous version. I didn't show it before, but if we want to do it before, you need to do something more like this, that is, you have to extend. First of all, you have to know what to extend, what you want to do, and a lot of stuff. But imagine that you already know that you want to match, and you already know all these classes and everything. You have to give a name, and then you have to initialize all the engines. So you have to say that you want to match a method, you have to configure your matcher, and then you have to run the rule, and to apply the scope restriction, you need to use this checker and this kind of stuff. So my project was all about to make it easier to use. So I don't have too much, this is another presentation. I don't have too much time, so I will go fast. What do we have now is the first UA approach, that is with the one I show. I want to improve how you manipulate expressions, because right now it's a little messy because you use one panel and affects in the other, and sometimes it's confusing. Then I really want to start working in the transformations steps to make it easier. I don't know, if you want to implement easier port, something like everything that is inside the blog and is in this package and sends this message, then transform to that. And with all the rules, you then run it, and that's it. You did all the migration and an easy work. So that's what I'm going to do. And if you want to try it, here you can download the code, and you have more. We want more information. I started a blog about this, and I hope we can finish a chapter for the far book, and that's all. I don't know if we can do questions. No, we can. Okay.